Hey, welcome back to Pretty DIYs. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day centerpiece, and I'm just going to be adding flowers. And I actually used an old DIY that I had previously that I had did a centerpiece with. I just tore the flowers out and just added some foam, and then I'm just going to add some flowers to it and a little heart and make it look like a Valentine's Day centerpiece. So stay tuned and see how this DIY project turns out.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last. cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Hey. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine. Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we'll lose. Don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes a time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past. Yeah, start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby.
So I'm pretty much finished with this DIY. I just have to add a few more flowers and greenery. Let me know in the comments if you like this DIY or if you'll be trying it. Also, you can consider subscribing and join the family, and put a thumbs up if you do like this DIY project. And thank you for watching. Also, wait for the pictures. I'm going to add some pictures in as well so you can see the finished product. Thank you for watching.